Unrelenting attacks by Nawab Malik against Sameer Wankhede. Maharashtra minister asks NCB officer if his sister-in-law Harshada Dinanath Redkar is involved in a drug business. NCB's top cop Gyaneshwar Singh in Mumbai to probe extortion allegations in Aryan Khan drug bust case. The Vigilance Inquiry team to record independent witness Prabhakar Sale's statement. Sale alleges that he heard Gosavi discussing a 25 crore rupees payoff deal for releasing Aryan Khan. Severe air quality chokes Delhi for the third day after Diwali. Air quality index hovering around 432 today. People have been advised to remain indoors. People take a dip in the polluted river on the occasion of Chhath Puja. Visuals from Yamuna near Kalindi Kund show people ignoring the toxic foam on Yamuna River. Rain pain continues in Tamil Nadu. Weather Office forecasts heavy to extremely heavy rainfall today in 14 districts of Tamil Nadu. Chennai, Vellore, Nagapattinam, Karaikal and others are on high alert. Most government offices will remain shut today and tomorrow. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin appeals to private firms to announce a holiday or allow employees to work from home. PM Modi arrives at his senior party colleague and former Deputy Prime Minister L.K. Advani's residence to greet him on his birthday. L.K. Advani turned 94 on Monday and the party cadre lauded his contributions to the country and the party. First Chinese woman scripts history in space. Wang Yaking became the first woman Chinese astronaut to perform a spacewalk from the space station. 3 Chinese astronauts on board the core module of Tiangong space station make their first extravehicular activity. Non-Muslims will be allowed to marry, divorce and get joint child custody under civil law in Abu Dhabi. The new law covers civil marriage, divorce and alimony. Personal status laws on marriage and divorce in UAE is based on Islamic Sharia principles. Former Pakistan fast bowler Shoaib Akhtar faces the defamation bima. Shoaib Akhtar has been asked to pay an amount of 100 million rupees by Pakistan Television Corporation. Payment asked as damages along with an amount of 33,33,000 rupees, equivalent to his 3-month salary to the organisation.